Introducing practical techniques for inventory clerks, our A4 size printed publication featuring 30 chapters and an index over its 146 plus pages. Keep watching as I turn the pages to demonstrate some of the chapters. The book sets out to provide information for prospective, novice or intermediate skilled inventory clerks in the practical techniques and procedures necessary to carry out inspections and prepare professional quality inventory reports. There are many publications and courses detailing an inventory clerk's legal, technical and formal responsibilities and requirements to work in the residential property lettings industry. Information and items such as these are not fully covered or provided in depth in this book. This book differs as it sets out to show you in practical steps how to physically do the job. Written based on our many years working in the residential property lettings sector, our self-penned publication details real-world practical, step-by-step information on how to efficiently carry out inventory inspections and compile professional quality reports. If you are looking to self-train to work as an inventory clerk in the vibrant and ever-growing residential property rental industry sector, or wish to start your own full or part-time inventory clerk business, or carry out your own inventories if you are a landlord, agent or property manager, then our unique specialist publication is for you. Visit our website www.activeinventories.co.uk for our publication purchase options, or to explore our free guides including understanding the inventory clerk role, starting a business, maximising earnings and more, including our free inventory report template to download. The free Word document template is ideal for starters and self-trainers, etc., wishing to test the waters without reporting software cost. As your journey progresses, when you may be looking for a more comprehensive reporting system, check out Click Clerk, our fast point-and-click inventory report compiler. Thanks for watching.